is the first summer food for you to start. We call fermented pork with egg. You can get spicy from the herb, not from the chili. Enjoy, please.
Okay, thank you.
From some kind of Thai salad. We call rice salad. The bucket that we present Thai dessert, we call khanom ra. Inside we have Thai herb. We serve together with sauce we made from plum sugar and seed. Honey 14 day. About wine honey that we aged 1 year with chili. The top one we have peanut and dry squid powder. Recommend to start 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one we just show the ingredient. Maybe you like. The Ninja 100% of Chenin Blanc from South Africa, pairing with Andaman Tiger Blanc. Now you are moving to cassava noodle. This menu, I would like to present local ingredient from Thailand that is like take time to cook, very different. Spain, pairing with earth and sea.
Okay.
Nice. Very hot. Now you are moving to earth and sea. This menu we would like to present the local ingredient from Thailand that Thai people will love to eat. Easy to cook when we cook, so delicious. Because Chef Om she moment please.
Mhm.
โบนะคะ pairing with a wall ค่ะ
Okay.
นะคะ the place is very
Okay.
hot.
Now we are moving to wild and unwild. Actually, we would like to present exotic meat. Homemade yogurt. Homemade yogurt we would like to balance taste by present their Thai ingredient. We have like Thai. When you euthanize cook homemade yogurt, put on
ก็สวยเท่านี้วันนี้ก็สวยเท่านี้อาจจะประสบการณ์เยอะขึ้นแล้วคนจะที่รู้จักเขาใช่ไหม ต้องถามนิดนึงยังไม่มีใบเลยเมื่อกี้มันมีหมูมีไข่แล้วก็มีใบ
with ginkgo that Thai Chinese we love to eat and homemade rising. Economic with crispy garlic and spring onion.
Thank you.
น้ำมะนาวแล้วก็น้ำดองธรรมชาตินะคะแล้วก็จะมีผัดมาจะเป็นข้าวเกรี๊ยวเสิร์ฟมาพร้อมกับซอสพริกสดแล้วก็จะมีดอกผักชี
Okay, so now we arrive at the main dessert, Phuket husband sticky rice. The name is Phuket husband sticky rice. And the Phuket husband sticky rice was time for me to from the cake. For tonight is a beautiful นะคะ
Beautiful.
Let's start with the first one. Is this one? It's a jackfruit, airy egg white, crispy fiber, paired with tangy gooseberry cream. Best enjoy in one bite. And the second one is this one. It's a white one. It's a cannellini. It's made from mung beans with coconut charcoal for soul-like appearance. Best enjoy in one bite as well.
Okay.
And the third one is this one. It's a coconut. Caramel coated with roasted sesame, filled with pendant coconut custard, and on top with coconut crumbles. Let's enjoy in one bite as well.
Okay.
And the fourth one is this one. It's a chocolate. The chef used 100% chocolate from Rayong province. Inside is kumquat juice and kumquat jam. And the last one is this one. It's a guava. The chef represent pickled guava jelly. The sweet chili sauce and sima powder. It's a sacred powder from Akha, Thailand. Best enjoy.